We are going to continue with our dashboard design. We need to apply some formatting options. Let's make this number bold. Select this cell. It is easy. And we need to highlight this particular indicator with a color. It should be red if it's less than 0 and green otherwise. Of course, we can use old school way to do it, using text color expression attribute for this particular measure. But we can make it a little bit easier, using color value action. Select this cell. Let's click this button to open the Actions panel. Next, click Add and type value color in the search input field. Here we go. Leave all these parameters in the default state. It should work fine for us. Finish with it by clicking Apply button. Let's preview what we have got now. The final step is embedding our sales trend. To do that, we need to add some cells, clicking Add Rows button. Merge them. So, we have prepared area for our trend. Let's embed it. Click Show Assets and expand Master Items toolbox, and then, Visualizations. Now, drag and drop this object into this cell. Here we go. Let's open Preview window. Fine. The final step we should to do is to change background color for our trend. Let's return to the editor and copy format from one cell and apply it to another one. Select this cell. Click Copy Format button. Apply it on our trend. Let's see what we've got. That's it for now. In the next video we are going to improve our solution. We can apply some icons to make our KPIs a little bit attractive.